Welcome to the mix. On the mix, we have Dwayne. He's letting his audience know that yes, he will talk about whatever is happening on social media, and he has changed. You know, he has been in trouble between with other people before, but this time he's doing something different. He will dissect videos and things that happen on social media, but it doesn't mean that he will be taking side or be in any argument with anyone. So he's on another level, basically. And so let's just watch the video and remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And have a wonderful, wonderful morning here from the Mixup.
Let me put something else out there. I've been called a shim, but trust me, this shim over here, no one on social media can say I've begged them a dime. Can I say the same about some of you though? I'm very sure I've given to, listen, some of you who's trying to throw stones, I look at you guys as, I look at especially you as a charitable case. You understand? Charity case. Today I purchased myself both my meals costed for, listen, I spent more than £30 today on my dinner. I have a whole kitchen in there. I have a whole kitchen to my left. I can cook, but I choose not to. Ask yourself why I don't cook. It's because I have disposable income. When someone has disposable income, they don't have to come on social media and beg Tom, Dick, Harry, John, Paul, Peter. You understand? All of you on here who feels like you can stand me, I've been telling you people, I'm in a different category. Different category. You understand? So when you people are throwing your words left, right, and center, that is not going to be neither here nor there. It goes in one ear and right out the other. And be very clear. Be very clear. I've seen some of you throwing words at me for the longest now, and ask yourselves why I haven't been looking in your direction. I don't look in your direction because you people are the scum of the earth. You know the scum of the earth? Dog doodle of the earth? That is how I define the ones who are on social media bashing people left, right, center. Bear in mind, all I do over here is put out things that people are saying on other people on social media. Never once does any of you hear me on here bashing anyone. Never, ever, right? Yes, I've gone back and forth with some parties, but lately I've told myself, why go back and forth with people who are beneath you? It doesn't make sense. So I stopped. I stay in my lane and I mind my own business. You understand? You people can throw your stones, throw your words till God come. Be very clear. Be very, very clear. I am not on here trying to seek no plankination. No, I'm not seeking no royals. I'm not seeking none of them. None of them. I see exactly what is happening though. You people are so desperate. You are so desperate for the plankination and the royals views. This is why a lot of you have to come out and defend PP cluck cluck PP. I don't have to do those things. Ask me why. Ask me why I don't have to do these things. I live in Great Britain. And not because I live in Great Britain, why I'm somewhat bragging, because that is nothing to brag about. My life as is, disabled and all. Hear me and hear me well. I've had a traumatic experience 5 years ago, and I promise you, with my traumatic experience, I kid you not, I am living way better than a lot of you unscrupulous dogs who have the absolute most to say about me. Ask yourself why I'm not looking at you. Do you understand? I am not looking at none of you. All of those termites on YouTube, and you have a few on Facebook, I'm not looking in a direction. You know what I tell my audience? The ones who tell me these things, I said, don't tell me about these the scum of the earth people, because I truly, truly don't want to hear about these unscrupulous dogs. Ask me why. They are not in my league. Education wise, eloquence wise, you people are not in my league. And I say this to you with no apology. Do you realize a lot of you on here, if you don't curse bad words or act like a damn hooligan or a street vagabond, you can't get your point across. You can't speak. Listen, some of you claim you was born in this country. You was born in this country, right? And you can't even speak the damn English, the damn language to which you so-called was born from. Make that make sense. Listen, I'm not addressing any of you. I'm just saying, moving forward, my audience, you know yourselves, please don't tell me anything pertaining to these unscrupulous termites, because I'm going to say categorically they truly are beneath me, respectfully too. I'm not kissing Donna's Batty. I'm not kissing none of these bloggers on here Batty. And be very clear, yes, I put people on pedestals at a point in my life, but those days are now gone. I'm gonna be myself. I'm going to be myself. And if you people can't accept me, for who I am, go in peace. I wish all of you well. But be very clear as well. I will continue to do the things I do over here, and that is put out trending topics, whether it is about Donna, Majesty, Tina Chin, whoever, whatever the topic may be, I don't care. I'm going to put it out. You understand? So whether any of you feel like say, oh, I'm over here doing X, Y, and Z, that is the least. That is the least. Anyways, I'm off of that. First and foremost, before I get into what I have to say, I want to send out my sincerest condolences to Lee Gates' family. Lee Gates is a person who he was a part of the live feeds during the Clarendon 5 family when their cousin killed them, right? So my most sincerest condolences to Lee Gates' family. It is it's so tragic to hear what's happened today. Like, honestly, just accept my most sincerest apologies. I know for a fact that no words I can utter out of my mouth right now is gonna make your family feel any better off or worse. So all I can do is send out my most sincerest condolences to you and your family. Now back to what I have to say. I know you guys see my topic, right? I know you guys see my topic. Clifford, the big hullabaloo. Hold on, I don't want to tell you guys lies. Clifford, the big hullabaloo, had this to say about Donna, Solane, trending drama, aka me. And there are a few more names that was brought up in the conversation. So I want you guys to hear for yourself and dissect the information you are receiving from what they're saying. And be very clear, Clifford, the big hullabaloo. I'm playing this because I want you to know nothing you say about me or anyone in your clique says about me, it is not going to derail what I am doing over here. I'm still going to put out trending topics. I'm still going to put out trending, conversations. And if you don't like it, that's on